Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I add fat to lean ground beef? Add the fat you seek directly to the meat. Butter is readily available, affordable, and adds moisture and fat to beef, making for a tender, juicy burger. Use cold butter and grate it. The most important part about adding butter to your burgers is making sure it's a similar shape and temperature to the ground beef. Can you add oil to lean ground beef? Ground beef with at least 15% fat content works best, and ground round and ground chuck are both good choices. If you prefer to use lean ground beef, add 1 tablespoon of olive or vegetable oil per pound of meat. Should I add butter to my burger? Yes, add butter to your beef for better burgers. The workaround? Add the fat you seek directly to the meat. Butter is readily available, affordable, and adds moisture and fat to beef, making for a tender, juicy burger. How do you make dry ground beef moist? Baking soda. According to this graphic from America's Test Kitchen, all a bunch of ground beef needs is a sprinkling of baking soda and a short sit. The baking soda helps lock in the moisture and prevent the beef from getting soggy, a la Emily.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.